Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I am dealing with spectroscopy of chemistry, and this topic is very important, but it can be in the final year of the BSc students. Okay, and in this case I am dealing, this is the lecture number 4. In this lecture I will explain you what is spectra. This is very important question and very basic question that we should know what is spectra. Okay, so spectra, and before that I should tell you what is photograph. Suppose when you go to studio for taking passport size photo, they will click you with camera. Okay, so instrument used for taking photograph is camera. Okay, so camera click and we get photograph, and in photograph we can see ourselves. Like if we see photograph of any human being, you will find a face, one nose, two eyes, two ears, one mouth, and if there are hairs. Okay, so in this photograph you will see all these things common in all human beings, but still you can identify particular person as you are knowing photograph. Similarly, spectra is nothing but photograph. The instrument which we use to take spectra is known as spectrophotometer. So this is the basic idea about spectra, but still I can explain you in detail. Like photograph, spectra identify certain physical, or internal infrastructure of a molecule or atom present in molecule. For taking spectra of a molecule, we use light of specific wavelength or frequency in spectrophotometer. This light is absorbed by a molecule or particular atoms within molecule. Light is source of energy, and you know that when energy is absorbed, that means the absorbed light produce certain change, and that is nothing but internal change. With respect to either nucleus or with respect to electrons, with respect to motion of electrons. And these electrons are mainly outermost shell or bonding electrons. The change in motion of electrons can be recorded in terms of intensity of either absorbed light or transmitted light, emitted light. Okay, so normally this light which is absorbed by molecule or atoms will produce certain changes in the motions of molecule or atoms or electrons of bond, and this can be recorded either by the difference in absorbed light or transmitted light. Okay, so this produce lines on a graph of recorder, which is known as spectra. If absorbed light is measured, it is called absorption spectra. This is very important word, absorption spectra. Okay, this is when the spectra is recorded due to absorption of the light, then it is called absorption spectra. If emitted light is absorbed, is measured, sorry, if emitted light is measured, it is known as emission spectra. So there are two types of spectra, emission spectra and absorption spectra. Okay, so one is positive, another is negative. It is like that. So we have two types of spectra. The study of lines of spectra, the study of lines of spectra is known as spectroscopy. Remember, in spectra of molecule or atom, we observe lines. Because molecule or atoms do not have mouth, nose, eyes, ears, etc. Here we will observe lines only. Okay? And these lines give us certain informations. Expert can interpret these lines and give us certain informations about internal structure of a molecule. That is the main purpose behind studying spectroscopy. So spectroscopy is very important study or branch of physics and chemistry which give us information about internal structure of molecule. And the reason behind getting internal information is disturbance. So molecule get disturbed by absorption of light. This disturbance produce certain changes in the molecule, and that changes are recorded in the form of lines, and this can be interpreted by expert, and we get what kind of internal structure is present in a given molecule. So this is the basic idea behind taking spectra of a molecule, and different light has different type of change appear on the molecule. So that we will study in next lecture. Thank you so much.